We are pushing through the earth, watching the soil turn to clay. Nature's way to preserve all that passes in a day. As your body turns to stone and weathers into sand, I will hold on to your soul, 'cause I can no longer hold your hand. So why not soak up the sun? We can't hide in the shadows. You just do what you love. Never think of tomorrow. Don't dwell on the things that we've lost, 'cause all this pain is just borrowed. Life builds a house out of trust, but all the walls are just hollow. Some I didn't see the worth, others I wouldn't have been worthy. But we cannot stop the clocks, and you've been taken too early. So why not soak up the sun? We can't hide in the shadows. You just do what you love, and never think of tomorrow.